Hi, my name is Estral Mascarenas. I am the organizing committee of this tournament, Assumpta Cup 2026. Today was our fourth quarter-final of the match, which was played between Saint Anthony Asolda and Saint Sebastian Youth Club Murida Fatorda. It was a good game. The score was 1-0 at the halftime, where Clencio Pinto scored the first goal. It was a good, exciting match to watch. And in the second half, they managed to score two more goals, which take them to extra penalty shootouts. It was an exciting match to watch, and in penalty shootouts, Saint Anthony lost the match 4-5, and Fatorda managed to win and go into the finals, where they will meet. I think Shiroda Youth Club
in the semi-finals.
In the semi-final, which will be held on 10th of this month. And from tomorrow, we'll be starting with the semi-final. And tomorrow's semi-final will be played between Carmona and Mandopa on the same ground. And the crowd today was good, came in large number to support each of their teams, and also the villagers from this village showed in big numbers. So it was a good game, and overall it was a good, entertaining match for all of us to watch, and also to cheer the teams and all. Okay, thank you.